The 511 Stryke Pants are what all other tactical pants want to be. Their comfort, flexibility, and durability have made them legendary to tactical professionals and enthusiasts all over the world. Made from 511's patented two-way mechanical stretch fabric with a fully gusseted crotch, self-adjusting tunnel waistband, and articulated knees, 511 Stryke Pants offer the range of motion to perform at your highest level. A Teflon finish also means they'll repel stains and maintain a clean, professional look. Built to last, these pants feature 12 smart pockets, including double-deep reinforced cargo pockets and front pockets sized to carry the tools you need. Perfect for on and off the job, 511 Stryke Pants are the tactical pants you'll want to wear every day.
The functional tactical pants, PATRIOT GEN.II Flex, which are perfect for training, shooting, work, business travel, or walking. For this second generation, the brand's designers have improved the cut and significantly improved the functionality. Made of state-of-the-art ripstop flex fabric, which is resistant to burnout and is low maintenance. In the places most vulnerable to abrasion, the pants are reinforced with a double layer of fabric. Zippers and buttons by YKK, the world leader in the production of accessories. The 8 strategically placed pockets will hold all the necessary basic items. The open side pockets have reinforcements at the bottom and can be used to attach a knife, flashlight, or other equipment to the clips. The 2 flap-covered pockets do not visually expand the silhouette, but provide enough space. The zipper will provide quick access to necessary items even while sitting. The 2 open mortise pockets are perfect for a smartphone, notebook, or other small items. The zippered back pockets will protect valuables from accidental loss. The waist has a telescopic design. The belt loops, up to 55 millimeters wide, conveniently secure both a tactical and everyday belt. The width at the bottom of the pants is adjustable with Velcro.
First generation on, the Stryker pants were made to withstand the tough requirements of police and military operatives. The Stryker X pants take it a step forward. Designed around the requirements of military special forces units, we've made a superbly durable, rugged, and field repairable pants model. The proven modular 3-layer knee protection has a slicker design, making it harder to get caught and minimizing the risk of damage. The material of the knee section facing towards your skin is lined with the extremely fast-drying 37.5 technology. You can choose between different levels of protection. The first level gives you the option to choose between the Impact or Cushion 3D knee pads. The second level of protection, the UF Pro Solid pads, give you penetration resistance against sharp objects. Combine both for a 2-layer ultimate knee protection. The outside fabric is lined with a durable, abrasion-resistant 500 denier Cordura material. For a tighter fit, you can adjust the width of the knee section with a 9-level adjustment system. As with all UF Pro Stryker pants, the extremely durable shoulder dynamic stretch panels are placed in just the right areas, making sure the pants follow all your moves. With the biggest pocket configuration yet, the Stryker X pants are going to make sure you can keep all your essentials within hand's reach. The super spacious side pockets have additional elastic straps on the inside, allowing you to fix your gear. The pockets can be tightened with a bungee cord and closed with Canadian buttons, making sure nothing falls out whatever you do. Prefer Velcro? No worries. Each pair comes with an additional Velcro kit, giving you the option to add Velcro to the pocket flap. You can make sure the pants don't snug up by connecting the boot hook to your boots and by regulating the width of the lower trouser leg. When temperatures drop, you can zip in the UF Pro Windstopper liner and convert the Stryker X into thermal pants. And to make the pants compliant with most military organizations' requirements, the material is based on a no-melt, no-drip nylon cotton blend. Extreme rugged construction, super spacious pocket configuration, and knee protection that's both reliable and comfortable. Together, they make the UF Pro Stryker X the ultimate combat pants for military operatives.
First Tactical's V2 tactical pants. First Tactical cargo pockets have reinforced pocket flaps that tuck in for inner mag pocket access. Front pocket mag pocket allows for quick PMag storage. Pocket flaps stand up for unobstructed pocket access. 4-laner loops allows users to attach kit to all main pockets. Hand pockets are nylon reinforced to secure gear and keep opening sturdy while retrieving tools. Tactical knives can also be stored in the mag pocket, which features the clip garage. 7-fuse belt loops keeps kit in place. Proper fit ensures a professional-looking uniform. The knee pad pockets are accessible from the inside of the pants. Simply roll the First Tactical knee pad and insert it into the double knee. The pocket shape locks the pad geometrically in place.
No matter what your job, you need to stay protected and comfortable. The LAPG Urban Ops pants are designed with this in mind. Built tough, built to last, and built to work with you. You simply can't find another high-quality pair of work pants like this for under 20 bucks. These are simple, tough work pants at a tough-to-beat price. The LAPG Urban Ops pants. The pants that work for you.